Did you have any idea about that ARK Contribute raised the Tesla news stock cost to $20,000? Remain tuned and continue to watch to figure out why ARK Contribute did this and the proof to help this case. A great deal of the venture organizations cautiously think about the organization's stocks or bonds prior to putting resources into them. The economy and securities exchange are likewise to be considered to pursue a sound choice. The advancement and developments of Tesla stock is one that investigators and financial backers watch out for. Despite the fact that Tesla stocks have continually been fluctuating, financial backers are as yet clamoring to purchase in since Tesla is said to prosper. More herein. In the present video, you'll figure out why ARK Contribute raised Tesla's new stock objective cost to $20,000. Most authorities on the matter would agree, investigators and financial backers the same. The second quarter of 2022 will make Tesla financial backers rich. This depends on Tesla's terms of events and achievements in a principal quarter of his current year. What are those, you might inquire? Tesla detail having conveyed 310,048 vehicles in quarter one of 2022, which was an increment of 68% from a year ago. Moreover, Tesla said quarter one 2022 net gain was $3.3 billion, a quarterly record surpassing money road gauges as income flooded 81% year more than year to $18.1 billion. As a matter of fact, as per US News, Tesla rose almost 700% in 2022. Tesla opened up to the world in 2010, offering 13.3 million offers at $17 per share, a market capitalization of around $800 billion. Tesla is the world's biggest automaker by esteem, albeit the organization revealed $31.5 billion in absolute income for 2020. Its all-knowing business sector cap is almost $800 billion, which is a very sizable amount of justification behind financial backers to continue to stack up. Tesla has developed into the biggest vehicle organization on the planet, reported it's easily on the business, and seems to hold and keep up with that spot. ARK Venture, the board, LLC, or just ARK Contribute, is an American speculation the executives firm situated in Holy Person, Petersburg, Florida, that deals with a few effectively overseen trade exchange reserves. ARK Contribute centers exclusively around troublesome developments and offers speculation answers for financial backers looking for long-haul development in the public market. As of February 2021, the organization had $50 billion in resources under administration. ARK Contribute was established and is overseen by Cathie Wood, an American financial backer who is known as the most misjudged financial backer in the game, since she is unbelievably powerful in her speculation intentions. But at the same time, she has the demonstrated outcomes to back up her shockingly insightful cases. All things considered, search for why ARK Contribute refreshed Tesla's valuation model with the $4,600 cost focus in the most ideal situation for Tesla stock in 2026 and up to more than $20,000 by 2030. ARK's refreshed open-source Tesla model yields a normal worth for each portion of $4,600 in 2026. The bull and bear cases checked out the 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo results individually are roughly $5,800 and $2,900 per share. Do you have a similar assessment with ARK Contribute? Tell us your thought process by leaving a remark in the remarks segment underneath. As per ARK Contribute, Tesla's forthcoming robotaxi business line is a vital driver by contributing 60% of expected worth and the greater part of expected EBITDA or profit before interest expenses, devaluation, and amortization in 2026. Across the reproduction set, they anticipate that electric vehicles should comprise 57% of the organization's income in 2026, in spite of the fact that at significantly lower edges than the robotaxi income in 2021. Open source Tesla model. They framed their normal worth of $3,000 per share in 2025. Nonetheless, they refreshed this position because of material changes, including independent ride, hail suppositions, and data sources, capital proficiency gauges, and the figure has been moved forward by 1 year to 2026. The refreshed model Y ARK Contribute shows refreshed suspicions for the absolute market for independent ride hail at each cost, and the likelihood that Tesla will settle for completely independent driving. In light of their examination of shoppers saw worth of time, they expect more requests for independent ride hails at greater cost focuses than initially displayed. Research recommends that voyagers in Western business sectors put a worth on their business-related head out miles near their time-based compensation and worth their non-business-related venture out miles that near a portion of their time-based compensation. ARK accepts one more lengthy tale of interest in low-pay nations and at $0.50 per mile valued like ARK appraises the complete addressable market for independent ride hailing at about $11 to $12 trillion. As a result of ARK's expanded conviction in Tesla's capacity to accomplish full self-driving, they have refreshed how the robotaxi business takes care of into the model. Albeit in the past they anticipated that Tesla will always be unable to send off independent ride, hailing late shore developments from Tesla made them alter their perspective and accept for a moment that it's send off in 2026. Albeit 4 years after the fact than Musk expected, they additionally recommend that Tesla will popularize independent ride hailing in 2024. Be that as it may, in 9% of their model cases, Tesla doesn't popularize robotaxis inside the long-term window, if and provided that robotaxis market inside the conjecture window. The displayed monetary outcomes for Tesla are helpless to the extended period of send-off. ARK contributes refreshed model likewise expands Tesla's capital proficiency. Tesla's capital use increased unit of limit had improved from around $84,000 in 2017, but the Model 3 was sloped up to around $7,700 in last year's model. They assessed that Tesla would burn through $6,000 to $8,000 per steady unit of limit in 2025. Given its obviously superior to expected capital effectiveness, it could be almost certainly the case that Tesla will burn